cake planets, stardust candies, and an eggy black hole, and galactic cupcakes. Watch our new video to learn amazing galaxy food recipes. Welcome to Domestic NASA Lab. The blue-eyed girl is in charge. She's always wanted to contact a UFO, and even invented a special communicator to send signals to far-off planets. What if an alien replies to her messages? For now, the only person replying to her signals is Rosie. She brought a pair of planetary cake pops to support her friend. Mix 1/4 cup of butter and 4½ ounces of sugar. Add 1 egg. Pour in a 1/4 cup of milk and put in 2/3 cups of flour mixed with ½ a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix the batter. Add in some sprinkles. Fill halves of cake pop silicone molds with the batter. Cover them with the second halves and bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Dip a stick in chocolate glaze and fit the cake pop onto it. Color the glaze with blue food coloring to get streaks. Dip in the cake pop. Draw continents on the oceans using green glaze. Color more glaze with food coloring and edible pearl powder to make different planets. Pour heated up chocolate glaze onto a mat and spread it out in an even layer. When the glaze cools, cut out a wide ring. Cover it with edible pearl powder and put it on the Saturn cake pop. The blue-eyed girl fearlessly bites into Saturn. And Rosie eats the Earth. No matter how your cosmic experiments are going, it's always a good idea to snack. All of a sudden, our cosmic satellite starts signaling a connection. Wow! I can't believe it! Maybe we'll luck out and a UFO will want to contact us. Here it is! We're finally meeting! A galactic guest landed on our couch. Amalthea the alien looks very friendly. What weird food are you Earthlings eating? Try my alien lollipops instead. Add 1/4 cup of corn syrup to ½ a cup of sugar. And pour in 1 ounce of water. Cook it for 8 minutes on medium heat. Color the ready caramel with food coloring. Make swirls using a toothpick. Pour the caramel onto a silicone mat and insert sticks. Make cosmic lollipops. The girls aren't sure about this candy from the stars at first, but it turned out to be super delicious. Aliens know their stuff when it comes to sweets. Rosie also decides to treat their guest with her best dish. The blue-eyed girl asks Amalthea about all the secrets of the universe while Rosie cooks. Rosie brings out her iconic galactic burger. No alien would be able to resist this. Color pre-made yeast dough with food coloring. Make a ball, being sure not to mix the colors. Bake it for 12 minutes at 390 degrees. Cut the ready bun. Add fillings: lettuce, a slice of salami, cheese, an onion ring, mustard, and ketchup. Cover it with the second half of the bun. The girls show off Earth's finest burger. They put gloves on Amalthea so she doesn't stain her delicate alien hands. Our guest really likes the burger. But she likes the gloves even more. Bummer that it'd be rude to take them with her. Rosie runs off to the lab to find something to decode alien recipes. But instead, she finds something even more interesting. Amalthea must have dropped the snack when she was landing. Pour 3½ ounces of water into 7 ounces of powdered sugar. And add 9 ounces of corn syrup. Cook it for 15 minutes, stirring the whole time until it thickens. add 1½ teaspoon of lemon juice into 3 egg whites. And put in ½ teaspoon of vanillin. Beat it into thick foam. Keep beating and pour the sugar syrup in slowly. Divide the finished mixture up and add food coloring. Put the mixture into a clean tube using a confectionery syringe. Rosie has always wanted to try astronaut food from a tube, and this one turned out to be sweet. This is a great replacement for the secret recipes. Amalthea went missing! The blue-eyed girl tries to catch her signal again, but it seems like it's gone forever. Meanwhile, Amalthea just teleported back to her Martian kitchen to get some Stardust Ice Cream. Mix 1 egg yolk and 1/3 cup of sugar. Pour in 3½ ounces of hot milk. Put the mixture on the stove and cook for 5 minutes, stirring. Whip 3½ ounces of heavy cream. And add the yolk milk mixture. Mix it and divide it into parts. Color it with food colorings. Lay different colors in turn into an ice cream mold. Insert sticks and put the molds in the freezer. Now how are we meant to find our guest? We don't have her added on Spacebook. Chill out! Amalthea's back with a sweet treat for you. The Earthlings eat the ice cream as fast as they can. How delicious and unusual! Gradually, this cosmic ice cream starts showing some side effects. Rosie's turning into a humanoid. What's going on? Her hands are changing color. So is her face. So here's what happens when you eat too much space food. A little more and she's fully transformed. This isn't our earthly Rosie anymore. This is the alien Rosalinda. The blue-eyed girl quickly writes down every change that's happening to her friend. Now she has 2 aliens sitting on her couch. The blue-eyed girl treats them with an egg made out of black hole antimatter. Separate the yolk and the white. Color the mixture with food colorings using a dropper. Make a mix of purple, blue, and black. Pour the colored egg white on a hot frying pan. Place the yolk on top. Fry the egg and carefully remove it from the pan. This intergalactic egg is just what the 2 aliens needed. Even extraterrestrials love fried eggs. Maybe we're not so different after all. The blue-eyed girl keeps writing down the data from her intergalactic encounter, but Amalthea suggests taking a break to have a snack. She brought unusual Oreos from the Cosmo Market. Remove the filling from Oreos. Add marshmallows and food coloring to it. Microwave it for 15 seconds. Mix it. Make a few different colors of filling. Connect different colors to make swirls. Make a few flat discs and put the cosmic filling into the cookie. The blue-eyed girl studies the cookie. Smell, weight, amount, diameter. Stupid Earthlings! You should eat this cookie, not study it, since the most interesting part is the filling. Yeah, it's really good. Amalthea decided to invite the Earthlings over. She teleports them to her planet and heads out after them. A super speed flight across the galaxy, and the guests are in her cosmic kitchen. And Amalthea is welcoming them with her legendary Martian space cakes. Mix 4½ ounces of sugar with 2 ounces of melted butter. Beat in 1 egg. Pour in 2 ounces of milk. Put in 3 1/3 ounces of flour mixed with ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix the batter. Divide it into parts and add food coloring. Use blue, purple, and pink. Pour the batter layer by colorful layer into cupcake molds. Bake it for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Beat pastry cream with a mixer. Add different food colorings. Remove the middle of the cupcake using a pastry bag tip. Pour sprinkles inside and decorate it with the colorful cream. The girls try the cosmic cupcakes. How yummy! They have a secret! As soon as the blue-eyed girl tries the cupcake, she also turns into an alien. Baby, you're the whole universe! See you in the stars! Did you like our extraterrestrial food? Then let us know in the comments about what galactic food you'll make for your friends. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new awesome recipes from Troom.